to all the scouters and scouters from across the United States.
And you guys are going to have so much fun. There's so much awesome stuff to do.
Working with the Order of the Arrow Service Corps, Chapter 5. Welcome to Jamboree.
For Brandon and for Jeffrey, let's go.
We're Scotland now.
I can live with that.
Kill yourself.
I think 1, 2, 3. That way it's taking this.
And I'm one of the housing assistants. I hope you have a wonderful time.
I'm the duty officer for Echo Base Camp, and I want to welcome you all to the Jamboree. You're going to have a great time.
Welcome to the Jamboree. Enjoy your time.
EMS Logistics, and stay safe.